What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and you already know we are back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Wiggins. They sent me this deep curly 99J colored wig. Now, the 99J color is kind of like a burgundy, but it's more of like a berry burgundy. So I feel like it has tints of blue in there to give it like a red magenta type of feel to it, which I really like. Modeling today, we have my girl Ariel in the building. Every time she comes get her hair done for my video, we always talk about our relationships, and she can just read me, child. I love talking to her. All right, so let's get into this install, all right? First and foremost, you already know we're starting with our 3-step system. We're starting with our dry cleanser, and then we're gonna follow up with our skin protector. Now, when my models come with their makeup done, which is all the time, I remove the makeup with green alcohol before I do the dry cleanser, just so I can save some product, right? And remember, I mentioned green alcohol, not regular alcohol. The reason being is because regular alcohol can seriously dry out your skin and irritate your skin. And before you know it, you'll be thinking that the glue is irritating your skin, but it's actually the alcohol. All right, so if you're removing a frontal or if you're just cleansing off the application area, make sure you use green alcohol. Another product that I like to use for the same purpose is Sea Breeze. So a lot of y'all are already hip to Sea Breeze. That's that green astringent that you find in the barber section at the beauty supply store or at Walmart. So yes, I also like Sea Breeze. All right, so for the stocking cap, I'm using medium brown on my model. And I'm kind of surprised that I didn't go with the dark brown, because when I used the dark brown on myself, it literally fit my skin perfectly. So the only glue that I use on this channel is liquid lace glue. If you want your own bottle, head to galaxygirlhair.com right now. Now, because this video is not long at all and the style is not so extravagant and complex, I had time to put the footage of me adding the second coat. Normally, I don't add this footage just because I just want to save time. But yes, every single time I apply a wig, I add 2 coats of glue and make sure they turn completely clear before I stick the lace on. All right. Now this wig is beautiful. It's soft. I love the color. It's just one thing that I don't like is that the lace came white. When I say white, I mean blanco white. And when I tried to use my lace tint on it, it really wasn't changing the color of it. So I had to put powder on it. Sometimes when I use too much makeup or when I use concealer, it may prohibit the lace from sticking properly, but You know, I added my spritz on it. I tried to use the least amount of makeup as possible so it can stick well. And even though I felt like I got the lace to be as close to her complexion as possible, I still see a little line. But it's okay. We're gonna fix it with our baby hair. Baby hair fixes everything, kinda. But you know what? I just thought about something. I do hair in front of a ring light, all right? And sometimes the ring light will make the lace more apparent than the lace actually looks in real life or in natural sunlight. Like sometimes y'all may think that the lace doesn't fit perfectly, but outside of this ring light and outside of this video, the lace be actually looking perfect. So I definitely have to take that into consideration as well. All right. Okay. I know y'all probably heard my nervousness and my anxiety about the lace earlier in the video, but I am very pleased. Very pleased. Once again, thank you so much, Wiggins, for sponsoring this video with this beautiful wig. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. I like this lace. I was kind of scared before, but I'm not scared no more. It's cute. See y'all later.